Hello friend, I am Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics. In this video, I discuss about flocculent soil structure. If you are prepared for GATE engineering service as well as SSC JEE, this video is too important for you. In this video, I discuss each and every point regarding only flocculent soil structure. What do you mean by flocculent? How it's generated, how it's work, and what is the benefit, what is the disadvantage. For clear your concept, watch this video till the end. Brush up your concept, enrich your knowledge. If you are new in my channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for never miss an update. In case if you are not watching my last video, there should be I button, so must check in this I button where you can see the honeycomb structure, only honeycomb structure. Before starting this video, I want to say one thing. For next two video, I gonna show you. First, this video I gonna show you flocculent structure. Next video I gonna show you dispersed structure, and next video I gonna show you comparison study between flocculent structure as well as dispersed structure. So if you are really prepared for GATE examination, SSC examination or engineering service examination, so don't skip this video. Otherwise you can skip. First, the word flocculation. So this flocculation, this word comes from flock. So first we have to understand what do you mean by flocks. What do you mean by flocks? As per definition or basic understanding, flock is something similar to group of something. You can say flock is group of something or a form of cluster. So I can say flocculation soil structure, that means group of or cluster of soil structure. Number 2, when they are making the group or they making the cluster, they become a larger particle. When they are acting as a single, then they are very small particle, but when they are in a group, they are look like as a team and it's look like a bigger particles. Now thing is that how this group or cluster generate, that is the main question. This is not a magic ऐसे ही हो जाएगा. We know every particle has some charges, either positive, either negative. Okay. So flocculent particle have some particular charges. When two flocculent particles comes to each other, then what happen? Due to their adhesion property, they come to close, and when they are come to close, they are making their cluster or group. They are making their cluster and groups. So making group and cluster, either they are belongs above water level, settle in water bed. Suppose this is your pot and this is your water. Either flocculent structure belongs in this zone, or now we talk about electric charges. So what kind of electric charges exist in flocculent particle that they are making their own flocks? In flocculent particle, if this is a particular particle and if I can draw the 3D structure, if this is called edge, this is called edge, and this side called face, this side called face. So in flocculent structure, for edge there will be positive charge, in face there is a negative charge. If I draw the flocculent structure, then you can say plus, minus, minus. This is the one for flocculent particle charge distribution. Suppose another flocculent particle comes to here, plus, minus, plus, You tell me, plus to plus there should be repulsion, negative to plus there should be attraction, this negative this positive attraction, again this negative repulsion. So net result, what will happen? Simple. Due to repulsion, no flocculent particle connect here, no flocculent particle connect here. As negative charge belong in the face, so positive part of flocculent either connects here or connects here. So this is how the flocculent particle make their own flocks. If I show the charge distribution plus, 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 this is negative, plus, negative, 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 negative. In this way, flocculent particles are generated. I hope your basic concept regarding flocculent particle has cleared. So you can say, sir, if flocculent particle make in a such way, then sir there should be a chance of high void. Yes or no? Yes sir, exactly, you are right. There is a high chance of void. That is why void ratio high. Volume of soil by volume of void by volume of soil. Number 2. Sir, as void is high, water can allow permission on? Yes, you are right. If void is more, then these types of soil more permeable? Yes, exactly. If more permeable, that means high chance of compressibility. So this is the features of flocculent soil structure. So in that scenario I can say orientation of flocculent structure is either edge to face, sometime very probability very less, edge to edge. In marine scenario or where soil is high saline, in that case chances of flocculation is very high, because saline water reduces the positive charge on the flocculent particle. Positive charge is reducing, then positive this repulsion, or negative this repulsion will be down. Repulsion is down. If repulsion is down, so closeness increase. If closeness increase, then chances of making flock is high. Now we talk about some example. If you apply your common sense, for single grain gravel and sand, for honeycomb sand and silt, who is remaining? Clay. Definitely clay is the example of flocculent structure as well as dispersed structure. And this flocculent structure and dispersed structure is very much important for civil engineering background student. Otherwise, this small relation you have to memorize. If you start memorizing, then you will just finish. That is why I am making separate video regarding flocculent structure, dispersed structure as well as their comparison. Suppose you are civil engineer, you are working on a building project. If you are working in a real estate project, your aim is soil should be very dense or permeability less, dry density is high. So in that case, you do not prefer flocculent structure soil. So it is kind of disadvantage. If the flocculent structure soil is present, so you cannot make this project. But yes, you can convert this flocculent structure soil to dispersed structure of soil. Suppose you are civil engineer, you working as a irrigation project. In irrigation project, you need soil should be loose, permeability high, water passing is very high. In that case, flocculent structure is very much helpful. Why? Flocculent structure soil, that means they are making this type of scenario. They are randomly make their flocculent structure soil. This is your tree. Irrigate the water, then water easily pass through this. Number 2, suppose you making a ground water recharge well. So you groundwater recharge well means if this is the ground, this is your well, water is percolate in this well, and finally they are going to the groundwater table. So if this surrounding soil is a flocculent soil structure, then it easily water is come to this well. If soil is not flocculent, then what happens? That means soil is dispersed, say. So dispersed, we have to convert dispersed to flocculent soil structure. So how we make the dispersed to flocculent soil structure? Is there any idea? It is a time to show you some bonus tips. How you convert your dispersed soil to flocculent soil structure. Generally, in that situation, we are mix some agent in dispersed soil. That agents are sodium ion, potassium ion, magnesium ion, and calcium ion. If you are mixing these agents to this soil, then soil becomes flocculent. Why? Because sodium has relative flocculent power is 1.0, potassium has a 1.7, magnesium has a 27, calcium is a 43. So in this reason, in irrigation we have to find out SAR number. So guys, everything is connected in civil engineering, and everything I wanna cover in my channel. I promise you, you will fall in love with civil engineering. This is all from my end. In this video, I gonna show you what is the meaning of flocculation or flocks, how they are generated, and what types of electric charge acting here, how the formation is generated, what is the features due to happening in this structure, what is their orientation that I showing, and then I show some examples and some benefit as well as disadvantage. And lastly, I am showing you some bonus tips how to convert discards to succulent structure. So guys, if there any kind of doubt, do comment in comment section. If this video helps you, then share this video with your groups. Still, if you are watching my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I'm coming with this types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.